Hi again, it's Bonnie from Everything Country CA, and today I just wanted to show you some essential items that you're going to want to have if you're going to have a tea party with some close friends or a couple of people, and you just like to have them over and treat them a little bit special and have a nice vintage tea party. Um, this is really just a starter kit. I kind of set it up on a side table. I thought it'd be nice to show that you don't need a lot of things. You just need a few special items. I'm a believer that everything should not be perfectly matched, but should go well together based on some kind of color choice. And here I've mostly got some pink items. It's a lot more authentic if you have a few heirloom items mixed in with the pieces, but if you found a few over the years and you want to show those off, that's great. So the main idea is to make your guests feel special using some beautiful and delicate pieces and getting a chance to savor the moment together and create some special memories. Having your tea set laid out in advance is important for you to be able to enjoy the moment as well as not to have to look around for things at the last minute. I'm going to list 10 things that you should plan to have, but if you don't have all of them, it's okay. Even if you just have the first 3 on the list, you're getting there and you're getting ready to start creating some special memories. To start with, of course, you need item number 1, a vintage porcelain teapot. And so I have my Sadler teapot underneath and it's ready to go. Of course, you also need some lovely teacups and saucers, and I try to have a couple extra on hand. I've got some at the top as well as underneath. Um, I also have a matching cream and sugar set, and it's a vintage set that I found with thrifting, and it's nice to if they're matching, but they don't have to be. Um, so if you've got those first 3 items, you're well on your way, and you can make your guests feel special just sitting down having a nice vintage cup of tea. Um, but if you want to sit it down at a table, you might want to have a few extra things. So a nice serving plate for some dainties that you've made or if you've bought if you don't have time. And if you have a light lunch, you could have a couple of these serving plates to serve some meats and cheeses and crackers on and or some small sandwiches or buns. And then a couple of side plates for your guests to use, depending on what you're serving, whether you want to use a small side plate or medium sized plate, that would be perfect. And then you can add some lovely linens of some kind. The more the better. I like using cloth napkins and a tablecloth or doily, a large doily for your table or first underneath some of the items, and then have some pot holders and other things to set off the display. If you have some special cutlery, that's great. Coffee spoons are the miniature little spoons for your teacups. And then in this case, I have some gold-plated small cutlery as well. These vintage cake and pie servers are a lovely addition to the look of your table or setting and give it that vintage charm. And if you can add some flowers of some kind, that'll add a little bit of romance to the table and make your guests feel really special. And then, of course, you want to just have some extras in case another guest arrives, or you just want to be ready for that. Maybe someone will bring their small child with them, and they like to sit at the table as well. So it's all fun, and the idea is to have fun, make everyone feel special, and enjoy the time together. I'm sure your guests will appreciate that you've made that extra effort. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you'd like to leave me a comment or send a like and subscribe to my channel, that would be much appreciated. Thank you.